Nexo cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. We here will explicitly give you the 10 years definite cost expectations for Nexo, or so they explicitly thought. The Nexo has in short order commonly acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested in looking through the inquiries like is Nexo an essentially wise venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Nexo worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? What will explicitly be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How high might Nexo at any point go, which in a real sense is very huge? Our aid will truly provide you with a thought of the Nexo expected development and its cost forecast. All from kind of profound specialized examination to key truly past cost graphs in an unpretentious manner. Nexo extremely past value investigation, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per unquestionably the most recent market information, today the cost of Nexo generally is 63 cents and Nexo generally is at present position number 100 in the whole crypto market in an unpretentious way. The dissemination supply of Nexo is 560,011,000 with a market cap of $350,534,803 in absolute most recent 24 hours. In the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been somewhere near 0.12% in its essentially current cost esteem. Assuming we for the most part analyze the 24-hour market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap is likewise in descending pattern. For most recent 7 days, the Nexo generally was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.39% in a fundamentally significant manner. Nexo in every way that really matters has shown areas of strength for commonly of potential, and this could be certainly great chance to dive right in and for the most part contribute. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Nexo has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, taking out an incredible pretty normal cost of 15 cents from its genuinely current cost. This unexpected genuinely descending development truly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, and it very well may be a great for the most part purchase and open door for fast venture. Or so they explicitly thought. The 90 days cost change really is near 1.56%, and the cost especially flowed from a base typical worth of 62 cents to most extreme sort of normal worth of 64 cents in the beyond 90 day. Or so they explicitly thought. Nexo most certainly is somewhere near 10.26% with the kind of greatest normal cost of the coin essentially was around 73 cents and the extremely least most certainly normal cost of by and large was around 69 cents in beyond 4 months, which by and large is very huge. Nexo value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030 we for the most part anticipate future Nexo cost expectation. Nexo estimates by applying profound fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Nexo. We especially give our altogether essentially most extreme verifiable information for the Nexo coin, which sort of incorporate different elements like in every way that really matters. Past value, market cap, volume, and genuinely more in a significant way. On the off chance that you most certainly are hoping to put resources into cryptographic money market, basically try to peruse our forecasts in a huge manner. Nexo value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture. In 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to explicitly reach at any rate value level of 59 cents in a significant manner. The Nexo cost can sort of arrive at a greatest worth of 68 cents with the extremely normal exchanging cost of 66 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Nexo value expectation for 2024 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Nexo especially is in a real sense anticipated to really reach at an exceptionally least worth of 97 cents in a significant manner. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.14 with the really normal exchanging cost of $1. Nexo value conjecture 2025 to 2026. The cost of Nexo in a real sense is by and large anticipated to basically reach at a very least degree of $1.40 in 2025. The Nexo cost can basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.70 with the genuinely normal cost of $1.44 all through 2025 incredibly. The cost of Nexo especially is in every way that really matters, anticipated to generally reach at a sort of least degree of $2.09 in 2026 in a sort of large manner. The Nexo cost can sort of arrive at a really most extreme degree of $2.45 with the especially normal cost of $2.16 all through 2026. Nexo value expectation for 2027 Nexo cost explicitly is figured to arrive at a sort of the most reduced degree of $3.20 in 2027, which really is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could really arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $3.68 with the in every practical sense normal figure cost of $3.29, or so they certainly thought. Nexo value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Nexo. In 2028, the cost of Nexo for the most part is determined to be at around a base worth of $4.56, or so they essentially thought. The Nexo value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $5.52 with the typical exchanging worth of $4.69 in USD, which truly is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Nexo is supposed to truly reach at an especially least degree of $6.90 in 2029. Or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 7.98 with the truly normal cost of $7.08 all through 2029 in a by and large enormous manner. Nexo value expectation figure for 2030 according to the gauge and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Nexo in every practical sense is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $9.71. The Nexo cost can generally arrive at a genuinely greatest value worth of $11.90 with the typical worth of $10, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo value expectation for 2031. The cost of Nexo is supposed to sort of reach at a by and large least worth of $13.85 in 2031 in a kind of significant manner. The Nexo cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $16.79 with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $14.25 all through 2031, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation for 2032. Nexo cost basically is conjecture to essentially arrive at an in a real sense the most minimal conceivable degree of $20.74 in 2032 in an unobtrusive manner. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could essentially arrive at an especially most extreme conceivable degree of $23.95 with the very normal figure cost of $21.31. What in a real sense is the Nexo cost today? Today, the cost of Nexo generally is 0.63 with the market cap of $350,534,803.000 in an unpretentious manner. What will especially be the Nexo in a real sense the most elevated anticipated cost for 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The kind of the greatest gouache cost for Nexo in a real sense is supposed to arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of 68 cents toward the finish of 2023. What will truly be the Nexo most noteworthy really anticipated cost for 2024? The most noteworthy estimated cost for Nexo sort of is supposed to explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of 68 cents toward the finish of 2024. How especially high can Nexo really go amazingly? The truly normal cost of Nexo could truly reach to 66 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year value, it is assessed that the coin will effectively sort of come to the $3.29 mark, or so they thought. How for the most part a lot of will Nexo be essentially worth in 2030 in a fundamentally significant manner? As far as cost esteem,